Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, it's Louis Vuitton Day, and for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here, I will be putting all the information that you need to know from product codes, SKU, product features, prices. I will be putting as much as I can, even the launch date if everything is available. Just kindly ready your phone and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs or the website. Happy shopping, guys! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 4,000 to 5,000 subs this year. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. And kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, this is the part 3 of the drop 1 of the Murakami collection. First, we have the Handbag East West bag. Price is 3,950 USD. So the material is monogram canvas in the multicolor design, which is color white. It comes of course with the untreated vachetta leather trims with shoulder strap, key clochette that has the ribbon detail, and it has the metal sidings on the side. It kind of looks like an ALMA. This is so cute, guys. So we only have one photo. So this is the KoroKoro Clutch. Price is 6,150 USD. So once I have more photos, I'll be publishing on our community wall. So it is a ball clutch bag, and it comes with a wristlet style that you could carry as a top handle bag, and it has of course the multicolor canvas in white colorway. Then let us discuss this gifting set. So we have different SKU for different prices and different items. So we have the toolbox, price at 2,070 USD. We have the V-Day Posh PM. Hopefully I am pronouncing that right. That's 695. Then we have the MM, and then the GM comes in the Murakami canvas. Then we have the Louis Vuitton Cup Murakami. Price at 505 USD. So this one, so if you are a coffee lover, definitely you would need to check this one out. So it comes of course with the monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims and the Murakami design print. And I love of course that the cup is fully detachable from the cup itself. Then we have dog collar and dog leashes. So again, we do have different item with different SKU with different prices. So we have like the collar XS for 540 USD. The PM size is 590. Then the MM size is 590 as well. And this is the leash for 695. Next, we have the Murakami perfumes. Same thing, different names, different SKU, and different prices. So mostly it would be 100 ml. So we have the Atrape Revs for 365. The Imagination 365. Then of course the multicolor. So this is the case at 880. So it is made of monogram canvas with the white Murakami detail. Then let us discuss some SOGs and wallets. We have the Clemence wallet. Price of this one is 765 USD. Murakami multicolor monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So this is the interior. So it is a long zip wallet. It has one zippered pocket in front, and it has multiple card slots inside. Then we have the Victorine wallet for 675. So this is how it looks like. Then we have a zippy wallet. So for the price, please do stand by. But we do have SKU here for your reference. So this is another view with gold zipper, gold hardware, of course in the Murakami monogram canvas with pink leather interior, as we could see here. Next SLG, we have the Rosalie wallet for 515 USD. We have SKU here, Murakami multicolor monogram canvas with cowhide leather interior. So as you can see, this is the interior, snap button closure, one zippered pocket inside. Next, we have shoes. So we have Murakami shoes we have different prices as well. So the first one is the high-heeled mule for 1,020 USD.
We have the flats, 970 USD. Then of course we have the ballerinas for 1,090 US dollars. So which one is your favorite? Everything of course would come in the Murakami multicolor with monogram canvas. Then we have more sandals, so pull and pillow mule for 1,170 USD, comes in the noir, comes in white colorway. And then we have the sunset flat for 1,310. And then we have the wedge for 1,240 USD. So again, comes with the white monogram canvas with vachetta leather trims. Now let's move on to the bags. We have the all-in size BB. Price of this one is 2,830 USD. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims with Murakami design detail, detachable clochette with ribbon detail, padlock and key set, and as you can see, the strap is fully adjustable. And then we have the Kuzan size PM. Price of this one is 5,550 USD. We have SKU here. Main material of course is leather, but it is with the multicolor design Murakami. So as you're going to notice, the logo of LV is in the multicolor design. It would come with very beautiful and updated gold chain strap. Next, we have the new vanity chain. Price is 2,960 USD. Material is monogram canvas. As you're going to see the difference from the vanity PM, the vanity chain is a lot slimmer compared to the previous predecessor. Murakami design detail, detachable leather strap, detachable padlock, key set, and chain strap. Next, we have a Murakami puzzle. Price of this one is a little bit expensive at 960 USD. So this is from the Superflat Collection with Murakami case, as we could see here for the puzzle pieces. And you will build this pattern, the Murakami Panda. It has the LV hands in monogram canvas background. So everything guys, this collection would still be launching January 2025. Then we have the Crofret 8 Montres, 12,000 euro. This is from the monogram super flat collection, but guys, kindly take note, this is available for VIA or if you are a trunk owner, just like with the petite valise. So everything is hand painted and everything would be numbered. Same price, 12,000 euro. Then we have the sunglasses pouch, 720 USD. Material is monogram canvas with leather trims, Murakami design detail with silver hardware and zipper for closure. Then we have pen and pen case, so 2 SKU. So for the pen, that would be 1,180 USD. Then for the case, we have for 420 USD. So this would be a good gift idea, especially for the up and coming holidays. So it would come with the noir multicolor design. Then guys, let us discuss all the Capucines on the collection. First, we have the Capucine size MM. Price is 8,050 USD. Materials leather, Murakami design details with multicolor. Is in the underside of the leather strap and it is also in the lining. So very understated. If you want a collection, a piece of the collection that is understated, then definitely this Capucines is for you. We have more. This one is a little bit out there, but I really do love this. Capucines East West, price at 6,850 USD. Materials leather. It has the Murakami super flat flower detail at the body of the Capucines, and also once you open, you would see on the interior, it would come with leather chain strap. Then we have the Capucines Mini, very beautiful colorway. So this is another understated design. So the Murakami design detail. So number 1, the LV logo. Number 2, the interior, love that. Number 3, of course, the underside of the detachable leather strap, and of course, last but not the least, the detachable clochette. How gorgeous is this colorway and the understated design. Then we have another one, Capucines Mini East West, price at 7,450 USD. Materials leather, Murakami design details. So the interior, you are going to see the super flat Murakami design. Also, the LV logo is the LV hands. It comes with the chain that has the Louis Vuitton flowers. Then Capucines mini. Price of this one is a little bit expensive at 8,100 USD. And the reason for this one is because the Murakami design, it is the multicolor or the enamel LV monogram, as we could see here in the multicolor design. One interior pocket is in multicolor canvas, and it comes with chain strap. Then we have very understated Capucines baby. So the only way you're going to find out that this is part of the Murakami collection is with the ribbon detail at the key clochette like this, and I believe that the ribbon detail can be fully detached from the clochette. Love the colorway, love the purplish color of the LV logo. Then Capucines mini, 7,450 USD. So this is the exotic from the Murakami collection, made of ostrich leather. So once you zoom in, this is the only thing that you would know that this is part of the Murakami collection. We have the LV logo with the Murakami design. The chain strap, guys, take note, is fully detachable. Then guys, take note, MAL Speedy price is 650,000 USD. So if you're a die-hard Louis Vuitton fan and you have the fonts, definitely you need to check this one out. So this one comes with 33, take note, 33 Speedy 20 that has their own Louis Vuitton trunk.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!